Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is chronology. It's pronounced cr-no-l-g, and it's spelt C-H-R-O-N-O-L-O-G-Y. Think chron, then the letter O, then logy. The word chronology is a noun. Chronology is the order in which a series of events happen, or a list or explanation of these events in the order in which they happened. For example, if you were telling your friends a story about how you left your house, ran up a hill, and then saw a huge dragon, you would tell them the story in the order that it happened. This is chronology. You start at the beginning and then tell events in the order they occurred until you reach the end. You would not tell your friends that you saw a dragon, left your house, and then ran up a hill, because it wouldn't make sense. Chronology helps us understand and make sense of things. Chronology comes from the Greek word chronos. Chronos was the Greek god of time. The ancient Greeks believed that he first appeared at the dawn of creation and began time itself. Chronos supposedly had the form of a snake, but with 3 heads, that of a man, a bull, and a lion. Chronology has the suffix logy, which is commonly used with words originally adapted from ancient Greek. This suffix means the study of, just like the words biology, archaeology, and astrology. Combine these together and you get the word chronology, meaning the study of time, which is pretty close to its modern meaning. Every book, film, and video game you have ever played is likely to happen in chronological order, meaning in an order with chronology. Chronology is often referred to in the context of chronological order. Chronological order is the method of arranging actions, events, or things according to the time when they occurred. You start by showing what happened first, what went on next, and so on until you reach what happened last. For example, if you were reading a history book about the kings and queens of England, it would start with the oldest king. Perhaps that would be William the Conqueror. And it would continue in chronological order until it reached the Queen today, Elizabeth II. Chronology is defined as the arrangement of events or dates in the order of their occurrence. Chronology does not have many synonyms, but there are a few. Sequential, consecutive, in sequence, in order of time, and historical. Antonyms include random, chaotic, disorganized, disordered, disorderly, irregular, messy, and unorganized. Everything that happens to you today will happen in chronological order. It will start with you waking up and end with you going to sleep. See if you can use the word chronology today. Tell a friend or family member a story and tell them about your day, but make sure you tell them in chronological order. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.